All right, in today's video, I'm back again with going over some of the best-selling printables and digital products selling right now on Etsy. Here we are on insidefactory.app, and we are going to look at some of the best-selling printables and digital products and recreate them. So make sure you stay to the end to get all the details on what you need. Again, you have to have a paid account to unlock some of the features. However, they do have a free version. So what I want to do is I've been seeing that these digital checklists have been making over $300+ a month. You do the math on that, that's about $10K a month. Who can use the extra $10K? I know you all can. So what I did was I clicked on digital checklists, and as you can see, these are all the top trending digital checklists. I'm going to go to kids cleaning cards because we all know kids do not like to clean, right? And well, what do you see here? 50 sales on ADHD cleaning bundle. It is giving Etsy a run for its money. Editable cleaning cards. They are selling like hotcakes. So, oh look, they even have some clip art available. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the first one because it's making 50 sales a day. And let's just do some math, right? Let's do 50 times 675, and yeah, you do the math on that. That's over $330. Again, I'm going to go to Creative Fabrica, and I'm going to leave the link below so you can all sign up and get an account. Make sure you use my link, hooking you up with a video. So I'm going to type in cleaning font because I just want to use some cleaning font. I like both of them. They're actually pretty cool. Cleaning. So I'm going to click on this here where it says cleaning font. Again, you have to have a paid version in order to just go in and download straight up from the site. However, they do have a paid price that you can pay for. You'll click on commercial usage allowed to see how you can use the font, but I know that we are allowed to use commercial, so that's all that I need to know. And this is some of the ways in which the font has been used. So I'm going to be able to use the cleaning font, right? So when I go back in and I want to type in under custom size, I'm going to type in 8.5 by 11 inches. I'm going to create a new design. What I want to do is I want to create a simple checklist. Obviously, what you see selling is a whole pack, right? They have 30+ items, 10 templates, but once I create this one, this will be like a card. Let's do a card for a kitchen. So we'll do one of those. And I'm also going to use my handy dandy ChatGPT. I have ChatGPT 4 version, but this will work in the version 5 as well. So I'm going to say create a kitchen checklist of no more than 10 items. Oh, a cleaning kitchen checklist, right? Yeah, we got to remember. So we're going to do that. Put away dishes, wipe countertops. So we're going to let ChatGPT work its magic. And now I just want to go in and I just want to take a look at kind of what the cleaning cards look like. So when you click in, you could click on it to make it bigger, right? Bigger, zoom in, zoom out. So it looks like they just have the main topic of it listed out. So we'll do the same thing. I'm going to head back over. But first, what I want to do is I got to go to my downloads because I want to unzip the files for the actual cleaning font. So I'm going to click on here. And then I just hit extract all. When I hit extract all, it will save inside of my downloads. So now I'm just able to extract that file, right? And then if I go to text, maybe I might do, let's see, K. I do want to make these colorful because they do appear to be colorful. But let me see how I want to outline these. So I have a nice little color palette here. So maybe we'll do this here. So we'll do kitchen. So we'll do kitchen checklist. And let's just for sake of this, we'll do it like that because we want to have some color, inside of it. So that's fine. So we'll do a kitchen checklist and let's just go back just to make sure that we're aligned with how these scorecards look. And then what I think I want to do is I'm just going to list them out just like this, just very simple with a checklist next to it. And yeah, so let's go ahead and do that. So now that we have our kitchen checklist, I want to go in. Now we have shapes, and I'm just gonna zoom in some because now we're gonna make our check boxes for our checklist. So I'm gonna move this over, and I think I had, let's go back to ChatGPT. They gave me 10, so I'll need to make 10 boxes, and we're gonna change the color to this, and we'll make it, let's see if we can see that. We can't really see it, so let's see what color we wanna make it. So we'll make it like this blue color. All right, and I'm just gonna utilize this space that we have, just move this up some. Right, so now we have 3, and I just want to make sure these are even, right? And you can see the spots in between and make sure. So now I'm gonna shift these down, and I'm gonna group them, and I'm gonna just duplicate these just to make it easier. Right, so I think we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 6, 9, and then I'm gonna ungroup all of them, right? And then I'm gonna duplicate one more, and now I'm gonna shift down, hold the shift key for all of these, and I'm gonna group it. So now we have our checklist, right? And then what I want to do is bring in our handy dandy lines. Because now we got to have our lines, because I believe these, oh, you know what? We don't even have to use lines, which is perfect. So now I'm just going to go in and copy, right? And you just copy and paste, right? Literally copy and paste. So we could change the font out, but I'll change that out at the end. But now all we're doing is copy and pasting from ChatGPT. We could actually just bring in the document and copy and paste the whole thing and make it easier. So you could just highlight these entire words and just kind of bring it in instead of copying and pasting about one by one. Because I want to make this video so much fun for you all, I'm actually copying and pasting it one by one so we can have fun together. All right. And we definitely want to change the font on this. I want to make it bigger as well, so definitely gonna make it bigger. I don't know what font we're gonna use, but something that matches with it. We are almost to the end. 3 more to go. 3 more to go. I hope I counted right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Looks like I skipped one. Oh no, I didn't. 8, 9, 10. Should be good. No, I actually think I did skip one. Oh, no, I didn't. I got one more left. One more left. All right, so our checklist is officially completed. And now we just got to make this look good, right? So you can also go in and search ChatGPT to see what they, what everyone's look like as well. Like you can search at the top for other checklists, choice cards. So the choice card. So we'll go in and we'll make it a little bit livelier. So we'll change the font. Let's see what font we want to use. I love Poppins, so I could change all of these to Poppins. So that's what I'm gonna do. And we'll change these to 17 as well. And we're just gonna change all of these to 17. Right, so now, and now we just want to make these even. We'll just move this over just a tad bit. All right, so now it's just all about us moving it over with the purple line. All right, and now we are good to go. Right, so now we have our checklist, and of course what I want to do is I'm going to shift all of these together, because now I want these to be grouped together. Now that I have exactly what I want, I can make these a little bit bigger, line it up, and now we have a kitchen checklist. And we could add like a frame around it, like if we wanted to. Let's just type in kitchen. Let's see what we got. If we can find any cool kitchen elements. So let's see. Seeing if we can find something cool for the kitchen. I don't see anything that I really like. Let's see. Nah. No, not really. I mean, they do have, you know, like some mixer bowls or something, but not really feeling it. Not really feeling that one either. Let's see. No, these colors don't match. Huh, this is cool. Maybe we can add this at the bottom, right? Nice, fun element at the bottom. All right, just to show that it's a kitchen. But now you have a kitchen checklist, right? So you have one of the different things created, and then that's how easy it is to create. And you could play around with this, but it's very simple. You make a kitchen checklist for all the different living spaces in the house, and you just use ChatGPT, right? So you would go in and say, create a cleaning bedroom checklist, no more than 10 items. And you would duplicate it, and you could actually change the icons and the colors. And now I'm going to go to share because I want to download it. I'm going to download it as a PDF because I always like to just see how it came out. Download it as a PDF. And we're going to open it up. Oh, nice. Love it. So kitchen checklist, super easy, super simple, right? You could print this out, hang this up, but this is perfect. So go ahead and make your $330. Remember, this was 50 sales just from today, selling at a whopping $6.75. And don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. Share this video out to people that you think know or need to be making an extra $10,000 a month, right? Just from a simple kitchen checklist, bedroom checklist, all the different checklists that you could think of. Go ahead and create that checklist and get that out there. Thank you all so much. Again, don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. I appreciate you. And let me see those checklists, y'all, once they're created.